Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 black screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, click here and type background applications, and after that turn off all the applications that you don't need here, and or you can just turn off the first option to turn off all of those applications, and then go back. And after that click here and then type answer here, type device manager, and then click display adapters, right click and update all those drivers that you can find here in display adapters, and that's it. After that all you have to do just to start your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.